Ready to turn your Figma design into a live Shopify section, with a real countdown timer that drives urgency and boosts conversions? No code, no devs, just drag and drop power with Foxify. Let's go from idea to impact, fast. Welcome to Foxify tutorial by FoxEcom. In our last video, we brought a static layout to life. Today, we're taking things further, with an interactive countdown timer that adds urgency and conversion power right into your section. Here's what we are working with: a bold by one, get one free banner with image, text, button, and space for a timer. Before we jump in, make sure you organize your layers and use auto layout for better responsiveness. It's not required, but it helps your design adapt beautifully inside Shopify. Let's get the plugin. Go to the Figma community, search Figma to Shopify with Foxify, and click Open in Figma. You'll find it under Plugins widgets once installed. Now select the frame you want to export. Set your export preferences like resolution or quality. Then hit Copy Design. That's it. Your layout is now ready to paste into Foxify. Head into your Foxify editor. Right-click, Paste. And boom, your design appears exactly as it looked in Figma. All the layer names and structure from Figma are preserved, clean and consistent. The container width is 1440px wide, which matches your Figma canvas. We want to make it full width to fit our current page. Now here's the upgrade. We will replace each stack of text elements for timer with a live countdown element from Foxify. You can set the end date, style it with the font, sizing, and spacing using the inspector. No code, just drag and drop. Next, update the button link. Add hover effects, even animated if you'd like, just a couple clicks. Don't forget to check how your design looks on desktop, tablet, and mobile. Foxify helps you stay fully responsive with just a few clicks. And there it is. Your Figma layout is now live on Shopify, powered with a working countdown timer that's built to convert. No code, no friction, just pure creative control with Foxify. Try it yourself with Foxify and ready to speed up your process. Need help or want to get creative? Tap the in-app live chat, we're always here for you. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe for more Shopify magic coming up. Thanks for watching.